Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own passion twist here for a lovely passion twist style. Now all you'll be needing is a scissors, some flexi rod, and as you can see before I've shown you some here. Of course you're gonna need some here, and the hair I'm using is the expression braiding here. You can also grab your little Jerry curls rod to help you get the job done fast. Alrighty, now ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see the finished look, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you have just subscribed. And here we go. Now you're gonna grab your hair, you're gonna grab your flexi rod, and you're gonna loop the hair onto the flexi rod just like how I'm showing you. Then you're gonna wrap it around. It doesn't matter if you wrap it clockwise, anti-clockwise, but once you're wrapping it, you just twist it before you wrap it and ensure it's in a coiling formation. Now you can go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna show you the first one, then I'm gonna speed the video up because I don't want to be talking too much. And yeah, no guys, this is my first ever vlogmas video. As you can see, I've created a new intro, so let me know what you think about the intro in the comment section. Yeah, I think that's about it. Anywho guys, I'll come back to you when I'm finished with twisting the hair onto the rod. Enjoy. So now that we've finished wrapping the hair around the rods, now we're gonna go in straight into hot water in the hair. But I'm gonna grab my pail first. Now you're gonna grab a pail, a bucket, a basin, a little dish, whatever you have you can grab, as long as you have something to do it in, then it's really okay. Now you're gonna drop all the hair inside the bucket. As you can see, I've only done 2 on camera, which means I've done the rest off camera. Alrighty, so now that we have our bucket and our rods in the pail, now we're gonna go to hot watering it. So I'm just gonna warm the water, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what I have. So now that you have your hot water, you're just gonna pour it over the hair. You wanna ensure that it goes straight through each strand that is on the rod. Now you're gonna pour and pour. Now guys, I am going to use this here to create a video. And if you want to see that video and how the hair is looking in the video, then stay tuned. I am thinking about uploading that one about, today is Wednesday, maybe Friday. Maybe Friday I'll upload that one. Now guys, since you've done that, now you're gonna take them out, rest them on a towel, and pat them dry. If you want to pat them dry, you can even blow them dry, or you can just leave them to dry by itself. So I'm just going to show you the ending product, and I am going to use this here to do another hair video. Now stay tuned if you want to see the entire video, or see the other video I should say. Alrighty, so there we go. So you see that bouncing coil? That's how you want it to look, right? Now I'm just gonna open the twist or the coil, and this is just one strand. Now you can twist it together. I'm just gonna twist it together to let you see how it looks. You can twist it tighter or loose or whatever. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.